Why are you making bubbles?
Very good, Olivia. I didn't know you could make bubbles.
That's awesome.
Did you know she could do that?
No, I didn't. That's worth a video in itself.
Very good. Excellent, Olivia.
We're going to be competing with that.
So, we have a snack for you on a very special tray. So, no more fun with the bubbles.
Great.
The yum yums?
What do you think of the plate? Do you like the plate that moves? Yeah, it moves around. Is that fun?
Wow.
It's going around.
Around and around. Does it make you want to eat it? Or does it make you want to watch it?
You want to eat that?
Good hand-eye. Oh, you got it.
Good job.
That was very good.
Down.
Down?
You want it down? Okay, that's good. Okay, nice
Thank you. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye, Olivia?
Can you say bye-bye?
Can you say bye-bye? Do you want the food on there?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And